Hey friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Whistling Windmills Brutus Monroe monthly inspiration box. I have not watched any unboxings on this, but I did cut it open so that I could, you know, be just as surprised as the rest of you if you haven't seen them either. But this is their latest box that they have out. If it's still available, I will have it linked down below, and I'll also have any of the stuff that is separate linked down below as well. But let's get into it. I'm so excited. Isn't this the most beautiful front? It's so colorful and so pretty, and it just is very inspiring. I love their boxes. This is one of my favorite parts about their boxes, is just, I mean, you get this in the mail and this is what you see. I mean, it's so pretty. So, all right, let's open it up. Ooh. And let's take a look. I'm going to set this off to the side and we'll pull pieces over as we get to them. Let's take a look at the pin. It always comes with a pin. And this is so beautiful. Look at that. Here's your enamel pin. It's a little windmill with those cute little tulips in front. And it's actually a pretty decent size, so check that out. If you are a collector, these are fabulous. And it has the two pushback pin thingies on the back of it. So that is so cute. Obviously goes with our theme really well. So we'll set that off to the side. All right, let's jump into, oh, so I love that Brutus Monroe has been starting to put a die in there, and check this out. This is so fun. Oh my goodness, I love that. So it looks like it will emboss these lines. I'm not sure, maybe it'll emboss the windmill portion of that line. And let's just open it up. It's pretty big. If I can open it. Gotta be smarter than the packaging, Cass. There you go. All right. So this is how big it is. It, you know, palm of your hand. It's very big. It's about 2.5 inches in width, and height is about 3.5. So it's a pretty big die. That'll go on the front of a card, no problem. So check that out. Nice focal point for your card. Love that. And I don't have anything like this die. That is so cute. So there is that. We also get this jam-packed bag of sequins where it has like these, almost like a sage green, like a turquoise blue, and some orange. And these orange and the turquoise look like the prism sequins that Brutus Monroe carries in the store. Oh, what a beautiful combo together. I love those. That's beautiful. And then matchy-matchy, check it out, our ribbon is as well. And you get about 1 yard each of that ribbon. And oof, I love that. And I've said this before, I don't use a ton of ribbon on my cards, but I definitely use ribbon to tie up little gifts of ribbon or of cards, because I tend to give out those as hostess gifts on a regular basis. Not that I'm hosting things these days or going to things these days because of, you know, the lovely situation we're all in, but you know, there's that. All right, what is this? What is this? Ooh, we get some velveteen glaze, and this is called Peach Bellini. So this is a peachy color. I have 3 of their colors. I'll just pull those out. You know, clearly these don't come in the box, but I already have these, and I've done some videos on these. I have the blueberry bushel, pink flamingo, and banana split. So this will be a nice addition to that. And if you've never used their velveteen glaze before, or if you haven't used their chroma glaze, so their chroma glaze is a little bit more of a, it's very shiny when it's dry, and it looks, I mean, it almost looks like it's still wet while it's dry when you use their chroma glaze, but their velveteen glaze dries with more of like a matte finish, and it almost feels a little bit velvety, and it is so pretty. You can heat set it to get it to dry. You just want to keep your heat gun moving, and I mention that simply because I am an impatient crafter, and even though I do mixed media, I like to keep moving. I don't like to sit too long, so yeah, I'm excited to give this a try, and maybe one of the stencils or something. So, ooh, that'll be fun. And it matches. I think it's going to match really beautifully with everything in here. All right, let's, golly, their kits always have so much. All right, here is a cute little stencil you're going to get with it. It's a hot air balloon. Oh my gosh. And it looks like it layers over the top. Oh, I love that. And then this could be your little bottom portion. Oh, I love it. And then you've got your little basket down below. This will be so much fun. So I may do some sponging, and then I'll do some velveteen glaze or something over the top. Wouldn't that be pretty? Okay, so there is that cute little mini stencil. And then they're foilables. Oh my gosh, these, I wonder if they're all gonna be so beautifully detailed. I mean, you always seem to get, not seem to, you get 8 in a package, and so it's like you get 2 of each kind. Oh, look at that. And this month they're pretty detailed. So you have right here like 8 card fronts all in one. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this one. It's like a little chateau. How beautiful. And you can alcohol marker color over the top of these. You can sponge over the top of them, like, you know, do ink blending. You can foil these. I don't usually have a lot of luck foiling like real intricate. I do better with more solid. I don't know if it's because I'm using a cheaper laminator or whatnot, but oh, look at how pretty that is. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Colored pencil would be beautiful over the top of these. I haven't tried watercoloring over these because it's not watercolor paper, but I'm sure that you could give it a try. And yeah, but that's beautiful. So here you have 8 card fronts all in one. That is fabulous. So there are those. You're definitely going to see some of those. And then let's, before we break out the, oh my gosh, the gorgeous stamp set, we're going to break out the paper. So you're going to get some Glitterstock, and it's an 8.5 by 11 sheet of their Glitterstock. This looks like it's maybe one of their copper colored. I don't know if the exact name of it, but I will have it linked down below if it's in the store. And then you're going to get some lightweight cardstock in all of these beautiful colors. So you're getting lots. These are great layering cardstocks. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. And that'll go well with what we've got here in the kit. So there is that. Woo. Okay, and then here's our stamp set. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Check it out. Here it is. This is called the Whistling Windmills. And you get this big, beautiful windmill scene. You get this beautiful field scene. That is so stunning. And then you're going to get 2 little hot air balloons. Those would go perfectly on some of these foilables. You also get, this has 3 clouds. And then your sentiments say, "You make me smile. Hello, my friend. Thank you. I miss you. And I appreciate your kindness." This is fabulous. Those are sentiments that I need on a daily basis. So I am excited about that. Oh my goodness. All right, so there is a lot in this kit. Like I said, I will have it linked down below, and hopefully it's still available. And like I said, I'll also have separate pieces available or linked if those are available as well. But yeah, so if you like this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe, because I'm going to have plenty of cards to show you using this kit, hopefully soon. Obviously, well, definitely later on this week I'll have it. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for all the love and support you guys give, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.